In this video, we're going to be going over my top 4 favorite things about the new Apple Watch Series 7 using the new Watch OS 8 firmware. We have broken this video into chapters. If you just go down into the description, you can find what you really want. And now, on to the top 4 list. Apple has split its Find My app into 2 new apps this time. There's the Find Items and Find Devices. So one is used to ping your AirTags, and Find My Devices is for your laptop, your iPad, and your phone. Now I have found this extremely useful to ping my phone. Whenever I can't find my phone or my watch, I usually have one or the other on me. And now I can ping them and easily find my phone buried under the couch. Have you ever gotten on your bike and you're all excited to start riding and tracking your ride, getting your exercise, and you start going, and then about 20 minutes in you remember that you didn't set your watch workout? Well, now with the new Apple Watch 7, there's a bunch of new auto-detect workouts. I was coming from an Apple Watch 4 and it would auto-detect when I would start swimming laps and ask me, are you working out right now? And so now it does that when you jump on your bike. What's also great is that it only tracks your riding time. So when you pull up to a stop sign, a stoplight, and you're waiting there for a minute or two, that's not counted in your workout. So no faking this time, you get the real deal of how much exercise you put in. Plus, fall detection works with your bike rides now. So if the Apple Watch detects you crashing, it can call emergency services and notify emergency contacts. Now there's a large range of new accessibility features for the iPhone and iPad, and they've all started moving over to the watch now. So Assistive Touch lets you have the use of only one arm control the Apple Watch by movement in the hand and wrist. So now it's going to be a lot more easier to answer incoming calls, control an on-screen motion pointer, and access the Apple's Watch notification and control center when you only have one hand available. I know that I'm carrying around a lot of things in one hand when someone calls. Now I can just use this hand motion to easily answer the phone. I'm also really enjoying using Siri on the watch, where you can easily say, hey Siri, text so and so, and it's super easy with one hand. So I'm really into the breathing and the meditation apps on the Apple Watch. They've really bumped it up, and in the short time I've used it, I've found they do help to focus my attention and give me a little break during these crazy days. The time you spend reflecting shows up on your health app, along with your heart rate. The default is set for 1 minute, but the meditation gurus put it on up to the max of 5 minutes. It's really surprising how connected the brains and the lungs are. Just a few deep breaths can help relieve all types of stress. So those are my top 4 favorites, and the one last one that needs honorable mention is the Decibel Reader. As a sound engineer and someone who wants to protect their precious cilia in my eardrums, the Decibel Reader will let you know when you have moved into a dangerously loud area. Most of us know this automatically and just cover up our ears, but it is also very fun for me to check out how loud places are. I've been really surprised. Well folks, I hope you're enjoying your new Apple Watch 7s, or at least the new Watch OS 8 system. These little devices keep getting more and more useful, and I definitely recommend for anyone in the Apple ecosystem to check them out. Thanks for watching everyone, and if you could hit that like and subscribe button down below, we can stay in contact for the new videos coming out. Take care.
Like and subscribe.